In this lesson, we're going to work on a two-step equation. So solving a two-step equation. So if we have a problem like this that says solve for k, and we have 2 times k plus 4 equals 12. So we have to solve for k. To solve for a variable, here it's k, use inverse operations to undo the operations in the equation. So we're going to undo these operations so we could get k by itself. Inverse operations will need to be done to both sides of the equation to keep the expression equivalent. In other words, balanced. So let's write our equation down again. 2k plus 4 equals 12. The first thing we do is we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. This is the inverse operation to plus 4. And we have to do the plus first, not the multiplying 2 by k. Okay, so we need to get this out of the way first. So let's write that down. So we have 2k plus 4 minus 4 equals 12 minus 4. So we're just doing the inverse of plus 4 to both sides of the equation. Now we simplify. So here, these two cancel out. 4 minus 4 is 0, so we're basically left with 2k. And then on this side of the equation, 12 minus 4 is 8. So we're left with 2k equals 8. 2 is multiplying k. 2 is multiplying k. So to undo this, divide both sides by 2. So we're going to undo that, and that's how it looks. 2k over 2 equals 8 over 2. The 2's cancel out, right? The 2's cancel out. There's one in the numerator, one in the denominator. So we are left with k equals 4 because 8 over 2 equals 4. And that's how you do that problem. It's not very complicated. Don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. If you need extra help, take a look at the description. There's other videos of mine that are like this in the description. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along this video in the ebook. You'll find this exact lesson in there. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.